It's a beautiful day to paint. My name is Lori and I welcome to BrushFalls Studios. I am in my basement. We're going to do a wonderful painting today. So I have an 18 by 24 here and I'll show you the colors because it's been requested many times. So if you want to come down to the canvas, I will show you. We have, first color is a mix of cerulean blue and blue cobalt metallic. Second color is Artist Loft Pale Violet. I mixed this too. This is a custom color. Nepheline, Carmine, and Magenta, Permanent Magenta. Lastly, I have added a little white to this Amsterdam Primary Yellow. Just needed to take it down a little. It's a bit bright. So I'm going to show you my base coat color. I have a gray purple. And let's make this beautiful painting today. Little heat gun. I have these silicone cupcake holders, and we're going to do a pour on these because sometimes I get the best designs and negative space created from these. And just remember, when you use these as a layered cup or tree pour, whatever is your last color is going to show up the most. Let's stretch this and see what we have. So guys, I think I'm finished here. What do y'all think about this one? There's a lot of lacing, a lot of bright, vibrant streaks of yellow, reds, blues. See all this lacing here? And cells. Really a neat fiery painting, vibrant. The colors sure do pop on this one. So in the next few days, I will put this up in my community board with the dry results and varnished results. So I would love to hear what you have to say about this one. And if you like it, I would appreciate the support, of course. But and also I put in my last video, we have in my husband's video, we have put in our community board the dried results of those too. Also, so so let me know what you think, and we'll see you at the next video. Bye.